Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start on the color page with the clip selected. Make sure Resolve detects GPU acceleration first because noise reduction is GPU heavy. Once done, add a serial node and scroll to the noise reduction panel. Enable temporal noise reduction immediately. You choose frame count based on camera motion. Use fewer frames for fast motion, more for slow scenes. Next, select the motion estimation algorithm and set initial values. 2-4 frames for action, 6-8 for static footage, then go to spatial controls. Now refine the controls to balance noise reduction with detail retention. Increase temporal strength gradually. Watch for ghosting artifacts and reduce frame count if you see motion trails. Then tweak spatial threshold and radius to smooth sensor noise without softening edges. Lower radius preserves fine detail. Use a dedicated node for denoising so you can mask faces or areas with tracked power windows. Make sure to toggle the node on and off to compare before and after. This shows the effect clearly. To finish, enable render cache and play the clip at full quality to confirm results. Create gallery stills for quick A/B checks. When satisfied, go to Deliver, pick an optimized codec, and ensure GPU encoding is enabled for speed. If you need to deliver higher detail, consider rendering intermediate files and rechecking. If problems occur, especially ghosting or smear, reduce temporal frame count or strength, or add a mild spatial denoise only to background areas using a mask to preserve subject sharpness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.